Hey guys, and welcome to Nomadic Dmitry channel. Well guys, this video is gonna be interesting, I hope. So the thing is that my MacBook 2014, which is like, okay, I mean, I bought it like many years ago, right? And I thought that I need to replace it. I was actually willing to replace it a long time ago, and then actually the battery died, and then they actually broke the keyboard. I just disconnected some cables, and basically my keyboard just got broken. I can still use it somehow, but I mean, it's unreliable and I don't want to use it. So for that I decided to buy some cheap laptop, and I thought, okay, maybe this cheap laptop is gonna be performing just fine, because many laptops those days have quad-core processors. For that sense, I actually bought this one, Lenovo E495, which is like, actually looking at this laptop, it seems to be fine. Everything seems to be fine. It's supposed to have Ryzen 3500U processor, which is quite nice. I mean, it's like mid-range processor, somewhere like a bit on the lower end though, but still, it's fine. It's okay. And then I ordered this laptop for 400 bucks from Lenovo store. And looking at the order, it exactly said 3500U processor. But then, when I actually got it, I actually upgraded this one. So I knew that I want to upgrade everything. So I upgraded the memory. It's now 32 gigs of RAM, which is cool. It has the SSD and it has mSATA, like PCI Express kind of stuff. So I basically, it seems to be like a top-notch laptop, right? So I even have the boxes right here. This one is a hard drive, and this one is mSATA, PCI Express, whatever, storage, right? And the memory also. And it all seemed to be fine. It all seemed to be fine, except one thing. The processor was actually wrong. The processor was not 3500U, but it was 3200U. And it's like, okay. So instead of quad-core computer, I got dual-core computer. Imagine guys, many people actually order this way from the Lenovo Outlet and they don't check it and they seem okay, it seems to be all fine. But it's not. I mean, they actually scamming people into believing that they're getting some like fine machine. Instead, they're getting like dual-core crap. It's still okay for the low-end usage kinda. It's just like lying about the fact, lying about the processor. I mean, Lenovo, shame on you for that. I was actually really upset about this. I mean, this is not the way how they should do business. And then I decided, all right guys, I'm gonna call them. So I called them, and after waiting for like a couple of hours, actually, like I was calling them the whole day, they never responded. So I used the live chat, and live chat is only for technical questions, so you cannot actually use the live chat, right? Then I decided, okay, I'm gonna call next day. So next day I call, I got to the person, and this person tells me like, you need to actually send me email. So I sent him email to like just like, hey, like what's up, could you please provide me the shipping labels? So I basically downgrade this crap, whatever it has, like 4 GB of RAM, and actually very slow hard drive. It's 4500 RPM hard drive. It's so very slow. I'm fine with actually downgrading this crap back to the original settings, but then I mean, it's still so much effort to do all that. And you know what, he actually never replied to me. I mean, so far there was no reply for Lenovo at all. And they say, okay, you just got like 5 days left, basically, because it's Lenovo Outlet, you only have like 12 days to ship it all back. So it's basically, by the time you realize that processor is wrong, it's probably like, okay, the return date is gone, so you cannot actually return this back. So this is just a letter of warning to you guys. When you buy some stuff, double check that processor is correct, memory is correct, like whatever is, everything should be correct. Just run some benchmarks to understand what's going on. I only realized this after like 3 days of using this computer. I already installed Ubuntu there. There is a Windows as well on the separate partitions. I have everything set up, and then I realized, okay, it's wrong. The processor is wrong. But let's actually go ahead and take a look at this laptop. Like, let's just boot something here and see how it goes. I've installed the Linux Mint here, so yeah, I'm just gonna show you how it works, because it's not that bad, of course, but still. Alright, let's go ahead and type credentials here. Let's actually take a look at the terminal right here. Let's open terminal and type ls CPU. What does it say? AMD Ryzen 3200U with Radeon Vega Mobile JFX, and basically it's Ryzen 3, right? So basically the graphics is also not top notch here. It's nowhere near the Ryzen 5. So this is kind of disappointing, but at the same time it's still usable, and everything just like works really great, I should say. So Office, Internet, all those. I actually installed a few apps right here. You can see, for example, Joplin is a basically note-taking application. Well, it's a bit slow. It used to be faster, and this is surprising. DOSBox, okay, it's quite fast. How about just Chromium? Okay, it seems to be working fine. Yeah, I mean, how about YouTube, right? Nomadic Dmitry, how about this? How about my last video here? All right. Alright, so this is the sound, and sound seems to be fine. It's okay for the most part. Many users are actually gonna be fine with this, and I'm probably also gonna adapt because I don't have any other options, right? How about the webcam? So this is the webcam basically. I mean, it's a total crap. I feel like it's very bad. I mean, I absolutely don't like the webcam. Oh my gosh, just take a look at this. And the microphone on this computer is just like bleh. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. As you can see, this laptop is okay for the, like, I don't know, for the light usage, but it's nowhere near for the video editing or anything else basically, because of the CPU, and that's the only reason. So Lenovo, if you're watching this video, please ship me some new laptop for review. Yeah, definitely, I'm gonna ship it back for sure. I'm also hoping that I will be able to edit videos on this computer. I don't know guys, this is how it works.